83 megapascals, using the Schrader valve. 4. Upon opening the solenoid valve, 1, the air from the reservoir is transferred to the projectile, which is fired out of the muzzle. Pneumatic launchers are considered a little bit harder to develop due to the requirement of a completely airtight building. These cannons have 4 fundamental elements: a filling valve, an air chamber, a pressure release valve, a barrel, and a pneumatic spud weapon. Air is pumped into the pressure chamber. The filling valve is typically a frequently readily available type such as a Schrader or Presta valve. However, other assemblies to pressurize the cannon such as quick release connections with ball or check valves have been used. The pressure release valve is typically one of a range of commercially readily available types such as a plumbing ball valve, and watering sprinkler valve, or a fast exhaust valve. The most typical customized design used is the piston valve. Multiple valves arranged to be activated together are periodically utilized as an option to a single larger valve. The variety of pneumatic cannons is more variable than the variety of combustion spud guns due to the increased variation possible in the parts. Pneumatic spud weapons are usually more effective than combustion spud guns. A typical combustion weapon generates typical chamber pressures of about 30 pounds per square inch, 210 kilopascals, with peaks of around 70,100 pounds per square inch, 500,700 kilopascals, while the typical pneumatic gun can run at pressures in the area of 100 pounds per square inch, 700 kilopascals. 4 megapascals, or greater. PVC solidified carbon dioxide cannon in use. 1. 5 kilograms, 3 pounds, of concrete is poured at the bottom to reinforce it, and plastic sleeves are utilized to stiffen the lower, greatest pressure, part. A solidified carbon dioxide cannon utilizes the sublimation of strong carbon dioxide to generate the gas pressure to move a projectile and is a variation of the burst disc cannon. When the pressure of the carbon dioxide from the subliming solidified carbon dioxide develops high enough, the projectile will be blown out of television. The pressures of such devices are not very high, as it just needs to construct enough to overcome the fixed friction of the projectile jammed in the barrel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.